boro is a material in textile or kind of clothing that's very much made throughout the time. So it's generations and a generation working on it and working with the same materials, adding onto it. So we thought that it would be really important to bring the liveliness to the generations of people that their bodies and their hearts and their stories into the clothing itself. So the mannequin we devised is something like this, a very simple 3 pieces of plexiglass that's strung together to give a 3-dimensional form to the interior of this clothing. And then we are stringing also a light inside them so that each of this piece feels that they're over a body that has a heart. And this is really our attempt to bring the life and the breath and the warmth back into what give even the existence of these pieces.
The interesting thing of the materials, its thickness and its weight and the sort of the layers of time that are, in it. And we deliberately are working with materials that in some way are very light and very ephemeral and very translucent to indeed have sort of that contrast between the texture of these layers of time coming together and then the installation itself. We've done a lot of exhibition work. But often it's for art and the 2-dimensional, maybe sculpture. I think the really interesting thing with working on clothes indeed is this relationship between it being an object and a piece of art in a way, but at the same time, indeed, as Jing already mentioned, something that has had a life in relation to a body. So it is also an architectural piece to an extent. And I feel that was really exciting, working on this show, is to think about that. And that was actually quite new for us.